Hi, and welcome to our walkthrough of the Fullscript platform. If you're watching this video, you've recently signed up for a Fullscript account and you want to start dispensing. Or you might just be interested in learning more about how the platform works before you sign up. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how Fullscript will complement your practice, and you'll be able to start dispensing wellness right away. If you have any questions while watching the video, please don't hesitate to reach out to us by visiting www.fullscript.com/support or by clicking the link provided below in the video description. Now let's get started. Fullscript is the industry-leading online dispensary for medical-grade nutritional supplements. We have the most extensive catalog in the industry, a world-class support team for you and patients, and above all, we truly care about the user experience our software provides. The online dispensing model Fullscript has developed is simple. During your interaction with your patient, you might recommend certain supplements or nutraceuticals as part of their treatment plan. Just log into your Fullscript account and send a customized recommendation to your patient, outlining which products they need. After leaving your office, your patient now has an easy and convenient way to purchase these recommended supplements with delivery right to their door in a few days. Before we walk you through the platform, we'll briefly go over how easy it is to tailor your online dispensary to your business. Not all healthcare providers practice the same way or have the same workflow. There are several ways to customize and run your dispensary. For example, there are a couple of ways patient orders can be placed. The first is the online store model. Under your name on the homepage, you'll find a link to your landing page. This page can be used to direct clients to sign up if you'd like to run a self-service store for your patients. This link can also be placed on your website in the form of a website button to ensure easy access for your patients as well. These buttons can be found under your dispensary settings. While sending this link or using the website button may work for some practitioners, data has shown that writing customized recommendations can greatly boost your adherence rates, not only because the recommendation is personable, but self-service from such a large catalog can sometimes be overwhelming to the patient. The personalized recommendation also includes refill reminders, which will inform your patient when to reorder based on your dosage instructions. When we analyzed the data between the two models, the difference was striking. For Fullscript's top practitioners, those who created individual recommendations for their clients saw refills on average of 8.1 times. Whereas clients without a treatment plan only refilled 3.2 times in comparison. This means that these top practitioners who write recommendations saw a 153% increase in refills over those who did not. Writing a prescription through Fullscript can help you capture more refills and improve patient adherence. Fullscript also conveniently offers AutoShip as an optional feature for your patients. This is a great way to help patients stay on track by automatically refilling their orders when they are running low. Now, let's take you through the details of what this model would look like starting on the Fullscript home screen. This is the screen you would first see upon logging into the platform. The first thing we'll go over is our product catalog. On Fullscript, we give you access to an extensive selection of high-quality, professional-grade products so you can avoid the nightmare of managing inventory. We are always adding to our offerings, so if there's a product or brand you notice that's not already in our catalog, our customer success team is happy to submit a request. With such an extensive offering, we make it as easy as possible to search based on your specific requirements of a product. Our advanced search tool can help you accomplish this. Start your search by selecting a supplement type listed, or you can search by typing in the search bar. If we were to select probiotics, for example, you'll see a list of all the probiotics that we carry. If you'd like to filter further, the left-hand column is where you'll begin to narrow down your search. As you can see, there are several different options. Let's say you need a probiotic of a certain strength without an allergen like dairy. You're able to select this criteria and narrow down your results from over 200 probiotics down to a much more manageable list. Every product includes a description and ingredient list, so you can make sure you found the best product for your patient's needs. Another great feature of our catalog is the ability to favorite products and create categories. If you use a product frequently, you can add it to your favorites, so you don't have to manually search for that product each time you write a recommendation. You can create a Favorites category by clicking on the Your Favorites tab at the top. Select Add Category and add the name. You can start adding your favorite products to your categories by finding the product in the catalog, clicking Favorite, and selecting the category where you'd like it to be listed. These categories can also be set up to be viewed by your patients on your dispensary store, making it easier for them to find the products you trust most for certain conditions. Now that you're familiar with the catalog, let's take a look at our most popular feature on the platform, the recommendation tool. To start a recommendation, select New Recommendation in the top right-hand corner of your screen. After clicking this, the first step is to add the client. If they are a return client and you've written a recommendation before, you'll be able to search for their name. If it's for a new client, add them for the first time by selecting Add a New Client. Enter their first name, last name, and email address. You can also add their phone number if you'd like to send prescriptions by text message. When creating a new patient account, you'll also notice you have the option of giving a discount to this individual patient. You can also apply a standard discount across your entire account for all patients, rather than on an individual basis. This is found under your dispensary settings. Now that you have your client selected, you're ready to start your recommendation. At the top of the recommendation, you'll see options to include a personal message and attach files. This is a useful place to include a summary of a treatment plan, any URL links, such as exercises, recipes, or your website, or any relevant health documents. Within the personal message, it's very useful to recap their visit, to remind them of the importance of your prescription. We find this helps with adherence. Since Fullscript is fully HIPAA compliant and secure, this information is kept safe between you and your patient. To begin adding recommended products, you'll click Add Your First Product. This will bring up all of the brands that we carry, sorted alphabetically, as well as a search bar to navigate the catalog. If you've favorited products as previously demonstrated, you can also add products from your favorite categories. We'll use the probiotic from the catalog example. I'm going to click Add beside this product, and that will bring it over to our new recommendation to customize the dosage instructions for your patient. The default dosage is that of the manufacturer of the product. However, you can customize this however you like. You'll notice that once the dosage is set, a supply calculation is provided. This gives both you and your patient an idea of how long their supply would last according to your recommended dose and quantity ordered. This calculation also informs our automatic refill reminder system to remind your patients via email to refill their products before they run out. Refill reminders are a key tool to help you improve patient adherence and capture more refills. To place a time frame on email reminders for patients, there is an optional duration tab that you can select. This lets our system know to stop emailing refill reminders for that specific prescription after your recommended time frame. To go a step further into our recommendation tool, we also provide the option to save your frequent recommendations with our protocol templates feature. This is a huge time saver if you tend to recommend the same supplements for a certain condition frequently, or if you have a high patient volume. This can be managed under the Prescription tab or accessed by the Templates button while creating a new prescription. Once your recommendation is complete, there are two options. The Send to Client option will send an email and text message to the client, providing an easy and convenient method for them to purchase their recommendations after their appointment. The second option, Send and Place Order, will allow you to send the email recommendation to your patient and also help your patient check out immediately before leaving your office. This provides you with a 100% adherence rate. There are several different shipping options which vary depending on your location. For more information on shipping rates, visit fullscript.com/support/shipping-information. In conclusion, Fullscript is the best way for healthcare practitioners that recommend nutritional supplements to end the inventory nightmare, improve patient adherence, and capture more refills. You now know how to start using Fullscript today. If you have further questions, please contact support@fullscript.com. Thank you, and be well.